Does brake fluid expire, and how does that affect checking the level? Have you ever wondered if the brake fluid in your car can go bad? It is a great question, especially for teenagers who are just starting to learn about car maintenance. So, does brake fluid expire, and how does that affect checking the level? Yes, brake fluid does expire, and this can impact both safety and how you check the brake fluid level in your vehicle. Brake fluid is essential for your car's braking system. It helps transfer the force from your foot on the brake pedal to the brakes themselves, allowing you to stop the car. However, brake fluid has a unique property. It absorbs moisture from the air, which can lead to problems over time. This means that even if you do not drive your car much, the brake fluid can still degrade. Most car manufacturers recommend changing the brake fluid every 2 to 3 years, regardless of how many miles you have driven. This is important because old or contaminated brake fluid can cause corrosion inside the brake system. It can also lead to reduced braking performance, which is something you definitely want to avoid. When you check the brake fluid level, it is not just about ensuring there is enough fluid in the reservoir. You also need to pay attention to the fluid's color and condition. Fresh brake fluid should be clear or light yellow. If it appears dark or murky, that is a sign it needs to be replaced. Topping off the fluid in this case will not solve the problem. You will need a full brake fluid flush, which replaces all the old fluid with fresh fluid to keep your brakes working properly. For teenagers learning about car maintenance, here are some tips. First, check the brake fluid level regularly to make sure it is within the recommended range. Second, look at the fluid color to spot any signs of contamination. Third, remember that brake fluid does not last forever and needs to be replaced every few years to keep your brakes safe and responsive. Lastly, if the brake pedal feels soft or the car takes longer to stop, it could be a sign that the brake fluid is bad and needs attention. Regular brake fluid checks and changes are a simple way to help keep your car safe on the road. It can also save you from costly repairs later. Always follow the car manufacturer's recommendations and consult a trusted mechanic if you are unsure about the fluid's condition. Taking these steps will help you maintain your vehicle and ensure a safer driving experience.